For $24.99, you get the paper, stickers, and matching die cuts.
For an extra $10, you can add the matching cardstock, bringing your total to $34.99. A new subscription box is released every month, and we will automatically ship it to you for free. Hi, it's Rebecca.
And Amanda.
Today we're going to look at the monthly April subscription box. It's called Birthday Wishes. Look at all of the cute designs. Here's some of the elements here.
I like these kits because of the element pages that make scrapbooking or card making or any of my little projects go a little faster. Hopefully we all end up with that many candles on our cake one day. These are just happy colors.
There's so many options.
Ooh, look at the rainbows. I've got this birthday girl.
I love the combination of plaid and polka dots and stripes.
Fun geometric one. There's the birthday boy. We're gonna open up. Look at these.
Again, these are all matched with the designs of the paper. It's got the candles and the colors match perfectly. There's the birthday girl, birthday boy. They are already pre-cut and they're so clean, no tags. They're just ready to go for you to use for your project.
And they're a good heavy weight, so it will add a little bit of dimension to your project as well. This is the cardstock. Here's all of the colors that you get with the cardstock. It is white core. That means the back is white and then the front is printed. This has a linen look so that it looks like it's textured, but it's actually smooth.
I love the colors.
Variations of the reds.
The colors are bright and they're perfect for this month's Birthday Wishes pack.
Hi, Rebecca and I have been crafting for a birthday party. I've made a little gift box out of some paper.
Loaded up with some fun candy.
We've got some treats here.
And this is something that we can send with the kids that come as a party favor, or maybe a guest wants to bring this to the birthday girl or boy.
So this is what we've got, our happy birthday box.
We just put together some party hats really quickly. So this is the paper and made a cute little pom-pom at the top and added a die cut here. The special birthday girl party hat that she can wear.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! And then we also went ahead and made some more cards. Card here, it's got the cute confetti paper with the birthday wishes die cut, the cute paper here inside as well. But this was so easy, put together so quick. Here's another one that we did. This is more kind of like an invitation. You could just say the details of where and when and invite them to come over. So cute. So we just wanted to show how easy it is to put together a card. This is another little element. I thought it was going to be really cute to use this little guy, so I added this border. Glue this down. All right, now I can add stickers from the sticker pack or add more die cuts. I really think I want to add this cute party hat here. So now he's ready for the party. Some candles would be fun.
I think candles too.
Okay, so there you go. You can make this card so quickly and easily, and it's so cute, it will make anyone feel special on their day.
We used the Birthday Wishes subscription box from April to make all of these fun birthday party supplies.
We love this pack. It's perfect for anybody's birthday celebration.